In this tutorial, we'll create Oracle Fusion Applications environments using the Environment Setup Wizard. Creating Fusion Applications environments prepares the production and test environments needed to begin implementation. In this scenario, I've already activated my Oracle Fusion Applications subscription and signed into my Oracle Cloud account. Now, I'm ready to provision my Fusion Applications environments. From the Fusion Applications page in the OCI console, I'll select Quick Start to open the Environment Setup Wizard. I'll review my environment family information, keep the default name, review my subscription, and select it to continue. Now, I'll review the subscription details and choose the Oracle Cloud region where my environments will be created. If I also plan to use Oracle Fusion Data Intelligence, Oracle recommends selecting the same region for both services. In Advanced Options, I'll choose the compartment where the environment family will be created. For this example, I'll use the root compartment. I'll review the maintenance schedule, keep the default settings, and continue to the next step. Now I'll configure my environments. I'll keep the default environment name. My subscription includes both production and test environments, which will be provisioned together. Next, I'll configure the Fusion Applications administrator. I can assign the same administrator to every environment or specify different administrators for production and test. After provisioning is complete, the administrator receives an email to activate the account and create a password. I'll review the remaining advanced options. I'll keep the default DNS prefix, which automatically generates the service URLs for my environments. Oracle Managed Encryption is used by default. After reviewing my configuration, I'll select Next to review all my settings before creating the environments. Everything looks correct, so I'll select Submit to begin provisioning. Oracle creates the environment family first, then provisions the individual production and test environments. When provisioning finishes, the administrator receives separate activation emails for each environment. After activating the accounts, implementation can begin. To verify the deployment, I'll return to the Fusion Applications page in the OCI console by selecting My Applications, then Fusion Applications. The Overview page displays my environment family. The Environments page lists each Fusion Applications environment, including its health status, compartment, and application URL. Now that I've created my Fusion Applications environments, I can begin implementation and provision additional Oracle services in the same cloud account if needed. Find more Oracle Fusion Applications deployment resources and tutorials in the links below.